Hello everyone. Are you ready for a new day? Today is Wednesday. We're only 2 more days to have to have the weekend again, so we can rest. All right. Today we're gonna start working with math. Remember, in math we are learning about long and short. Okay. And we're gonna start watching a video today. Pay attention.
Hey friends! Last time we learned how to classify objects based on their weights. Today, let's compare objects using their lengths. Look at these paintbrushes. This paintbrush is long, whereas this paintbrush is short. A hockey stick is long, and a table tennis bat is short. Here is a pencil and an eraser. The pencil is long, while the eraser is short. Look at these creatures. The snake is long, whereas the caterpillar is short. Objects can also be classified based on their heights. We will learn about this when we meet again. Goodbye for now.
Okay, so did you watch the video? The video was about long and short. And that's what we have been learning during this week, comparing and order objects by length. We learned that we can measure objects with order, and we say one object is longer than the other, or one object is shorter than the other. But if you have three objects or more, you can decide which one is the longest of the three. I'm going to ask you a question. Of these three markers, which one is the longest? Right? If you said the green one, you are awesome. Exactly. The green marker is the longest. Now, one more question. Which one is the shortest? The shortest marker. If you said yellow, yes, great job. Yellow is the shortest marker. Nice. So we worked in page 569, 570, and yesterday, you worked on pages 571 and 572. Today we're going to work page 573. Do you have it ready? It says my homework at the top. All right? Okay, let's start. The first exercise says compare and circle, listen, the shorter object. Okay? Circle the shorter object, or the shortest. In this case, should be the shortest. So, we have two objects here. All right? We have a tambourine. This is a musical instrument. It's called tambourine. Listen, tambourine. And this one is I don't remember. It's a horn. Yes, it's a horn. It's a horn. Okay? So, we have a tambourine and a horn. Now, we need to circle the one that is really short. What is it? The tambourine or the horn? The tambourine. Very good. The tambourine is the short one. So, the tambourine is shorter than the horn. Nice. Circle it with your pencil. All right. Now, let's go to exercise number 2. We have a trumpet and a drum. Trumpet and drum. Which one is shorter? The trumpet or the drum? We're not talking about big or small. That's different. We're talking about the length. Which one is shorter? The trumpet or the drum? The drum. If you said the drum, you are awesome, because the drum is shorter than the trumpet. Very good, guys. I can see you have understood. Now, exercise number 3 reads, order the objects by length. Write Number one for short, 2 for shorter, and 3 for shortest, the shortest of all. All right? So, we are going to start with the shortest object, el más cortito de los tres. We have an electric guitar. We have a triangle. This musical instrument is called triangle. And we have maracas. All right? Electric guitar, triangle, and maracas. There's only one maraca, but we usually use two to play them. So, which one is the shortest? The triangle, the electric guitar, or the maracas? The maraca. What number are we going to write for shortest? 3. Very good. So you need to write the number 3 here. Remember, the order is not 1, 2, 3 all the time. Sometimes it will be 1, 2, 3, but other times it's not going to be the same. Okay, now we need to find an object that is shorter than the electric guitar. Which object is shorter than the electric guitar? The maraca. Very good, the maraca. So you need to write the number 2. The number 2 because the maraca is shorter than the electric guitar. That means the electric guitar is the longest. All right? So we write the number 1. So the electric guitar is long. The maraca is long, but is shorter than the electric guitar. And the triangle is the shortest of the 3 objects. All right? Okay, nice. Now turn the page. Page 574. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Number 4 says, compare. Circle, not the shorter. Can you help me reading here? Longer object. Very good. You need to circle the longer. The longer object you're going to circle here. We have a xylophone. And I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure, believe me. Because I cannot see it very clear. But you have it in your book, in your page. But here in the picture, I cannot see it very well. But it's other musical instrument, I think. So, we have a xylophone and other musical instrument. Which one is longer? The xylophone or the other musical instrument? Longer. The xylophone, very good, the xylophone. So circle it with your pencil. Circle the xylophone. Nice. Very good. And now, in the number 5, we have a keyboard. This is not a piano. Remember, it's not a piano. A piano should be full, so you can see them play it, and it has a cover. But this one is not. It's a keyboard. All right? We have a keyboard, and I cannot see very clear here. I'm sorry. But I think it's a flute or something like that. Now, which one is longer? The one at the top or the one at the bottom? The keyboard? Yes, the keyboard is longer. Nice. Circle it with your pencil. Very good, guys. You are awesome. Now, if you see, both objects are long, but the keyboard is longer. All right? Okay, now exercise number 6. It says, order the objects by length. Listen, write. Can you help me reading? Write 1 for long. We're going to write 1 for long, 2 for longer, and 3 for longest. Okay? We're going to write 3 for longest. Are you guys ready? Okay. Nice. Sorry. Okay. We have a bell. We have a piano. You see the difference? This one is a piano. We have a piano, and this one is a Violin, very good. It's not violin, it's violin, okay? So we need to look for, all of them are long, all right? But one is longer and the other one is longest. Let's start with the longest. We're gonna write 3 for longest. El más largo. Which one is the longest? The bell, the piano, or the violin? The piano, very good. So you need to write the number 3 on the line. Now, let's compare the violin and the bell. Which one is longer, the bell or the violin? The violin, very good. So you need to write the number 2. Nice. And finally, the number 1 for the bell, which is long, but it's not enough long as the violin or the piano. Nice. Very good, guys. Feel proud of you. Now the bottom, brain builders. Listen. Kaya has a music book and a recorder. Which object is longer? Circle it. Draw an object that Kaya has that is longest. Okay? So Kaya has a music book and a recorder. Alright? In this case, I think that we are going to see these pictures. This is the music box and this is a flute. Doesn't look like a recorder. Anyway, which of these 2 objects is longer? The flute? Alright, let's circle the flute. It says that you need to draw the object that Kaya has, but you will not draw a recorder. So circle the flute in this case. Okay? And just to finish, test practice. Which is shorter than this instrument? I don't know how they call it in English, but this instrument in Spanish is called armónica. Okay? I don't remember how they call it in English, but in Spanish it's armónica. All right? So we have 4 more musical instruments at the bottom. This one is a flute. This one is a clarinet. Listen, clarinet. This one is a whistle and banjo. Banjo. Flute, clarinet, whistle, banjo. Actually, this one is not a musical instrument, but it's an instrument that makes a sound as well. So, what do we need to do? We need to find which one is shorter than this one, shorter than the harmonica. All right? Which one is shorter? The flute, the clarinet, the whistle, or the banjo? Tick tock, tick tock. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you say the clarinet? Wah, 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 wah. Did you say the banjo? Wah, 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 wah. Did you say the flute? Wah, 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 wah. Did you say the whistle? Excellent! Chin, 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 chin. So you will color. I did it with red. You will color the point with any crayon or with any color. I chose red. You can choose whatever color, blue, green, yellow, purple, pink, whatever color. And color the circle because the whistle is shorter than the harmonica. Okay? Try to find how you say harmonica in English because I don't know. Okay, guys. So that's the class of today. Nice. We did a great job. And see you in other video. Don't forget that I love you. Bye-bye.